Hello and welcome. You're watching Non-Struck News Live and I'm Pallab Ghosh. What a victory! What a victory for the Saffron. I mean, those who had doubts till today morning, especially जो लोग वो कह रहे थे कि ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. मैं पहले बंगाल की बात करता हूं, मेरा अपना स्टेट है, उसके बाद बाकी राज्यों में जरूर आऊंगा. गजब की जीत है भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए. और मजेदार बात यह है कि मैं हैरान हो गया क्योंकि मैं अपने इतने पत्रकारिता के इतने सालों में मैंने कभी यह नहीं देखा था कि कोई भी पार्टी इतनी कॉन्फिडेंट हो. यानी जब शुभेंदु अधिकारी बार बार कह रहे थे कि हम बंगाल जीतेंगे और मेरी जो जीत है वो इतना रहेगा, I was perhaps the first one who had doubted. I have no hesitation in confessing this. I confess I was wrong. What a victory! And all this has happened because of Mamata Banerjee and Trinamool's Jungle Raj in the state. आपको अच्छा लगे बुरा लगे, लेकिन हकीकत यही है कि ममता बनर्जी इस हार के लिए पूरी तरह से रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. This is a personal defeat for Mamata Banerjee and collective defeat for her party. 2011 में जब ममता बनर्जी बंगाल पर काबिज हुई तो लोगों ने बहुत उम्मीद लगाकर ममता बनर्जी को लेकर आई थी. लोगों को लगा था कि अब बंगाल एक नए दिशा की ओर जाएगा. Of course, people didn't understand that her catch lines, her slogans that actually brought her to power. Badla nahi badal chai, not revenge but change. And Ma Mati Manush were mere slogans. She was doing all this to bag the post. आज लोगों ने ममता बनर्जी और तृणमूल को वो आईना दिखा दिया. Congratulations to the people of Bengal. Congratulations, because you have at least changed this regime. This was much required. आंकड़े क्या रहेंगे आखिर तक ये अभी नहीं कह सकते. अभी 3 भी नहीं बजे. मैं जरा अभी आपको अभी का जो रुझान ही कहेंगे इसको क्योंकि फाइनल रुझान है. हालांकि दिस विल नाउ बिकम द रिजल्ट. मैं जरा पढ़ देता हूं. असम 126 में से 126 सीटों के जो आंकड़े निकल चुके हैं. एनडीए 99, कांग्रेस 23, IAUDF 2, अदर्स 2. तमिलनाडु 234 out of 234 is out, and DMK 65, AIADMK 61, TVK 107. Now this is the actually path breaker. TVK यानी जो एक्टर विजय की जो पार्टी है उसने आगाज किया है और वो इतने बहुमत से जीता है. I think he will be the chief minister. That is what we are getting from the AIADMK sources. But anyway, that's too early to conclude. But definitely congratulations Vijay for what you have done. I mean, the first timer into the politics, coming from, of course, तमिलनाडु या साउथ इंडिया में किसी अभिनेता का या अभिनेत्री का पॉलिटिक्स में आना कोई नई बात नहीं है. इससे पहले MGR, शिवाजी गणेशन, जयललिता, यानी ये ट्रेंड, रजनीकांत, कमल हासन, ये ट्रेंड रहा है. और यही ट्रेंड रहा है कि सदर्न इंडिया में जो होता है, साउथ इंडिया में जो होता है वो है एक्टर एक्ट्रेस का पॉलिटिक्स में आना and rising to the epitome. So this is the beginning for Vijay, and what Vijay has done is it's remarkable in fact. Compliments Vijay for this win. Of course, Kerala is 140 out, 140 seats are almost out. LDF 36, UDF 98, NDA 2 and others 4. Coming to Puducherry, 30 out of 30s are out. NDA 16, UPA 10, TVK. Here, of course, Vijay's party couldn't open account, 0, others 4. So, and before that, let me also read out the West Bengal. West Bengal, 293 out of 293 are out. BJP 193. It's actually fluctuating. So we are expecting BJP will cross 200, or it may stand around 197, 198. It's too early. Trinamool is on 95 again. It may go to 97. It may come down also. Left is 2 and Congress 1. If this is the others 2. If this is the final tally of West Bengal, then we can say that Left Front CPIM has finally been able to open an account. But unfortunately, the firebrand leaders like Deepshita, Meenakshi are lagging. And of course, as I said, Congress won. Unfortunately, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary from his seat is trailing till now. I mean, I don't know what is going to happen. And others too. Now, I really have nothing to say, because in Assam, it has retained, BJP has retained its seat thrice, and of course in Puducherry twice. But the path breaking is of course West Bengal, because Bharatiya Janata Party, which had promised that it will back West Bengal and show Mamata Banerjee the mirror. Of course, in the evening I will be discussing the reasons why this happened. As I said a day before yesterday, that we will discuss why Mamata Banerjee had to face this. But before summing up, I can say Mamata Banerjee का ये जो हार है, ये ममता बनर्जी के अपने लिए हुआ है. It's totally because of her. लेकिन जो जितना प्यार, जितना इज्जत, जितना adulation, people assured confidence in her in 2011 and defeated then Left Front government. Even they didn't care about the one and only honest person in politics, Buddhadev Bhattacharya, and brought Mamata Banerjee just with the thought that now things will be good. Now things will start opening for Bengal. Bengal was ruined. West Bengal was ruined beyond repair. And today people have showed the mirror to Mamata Banerjee because of this. And of course, before summing up, I want to ask nephew Abhishek Banerjee, where are you, sir? Why are you hiding inside Shantiniketan building? And how long will you hide there? You challenged Home Minister Amit Shah. You said, bring your father. And we will see at 12 noon on 4th. Where are you? Everybody is here. Everybody in the BJP is outside. You and your aunt are nowhere. And of course, you people are coming up with those lame cult excuses that people have given you the vote and it has been changed during counting. ममता बनर्जी ने तो कह ही दिया था लोगों को कि तैयार रहिएगा. डेस्क पे जो काउंटिंग होता है और कंप्यूटर पे जो दर्ज किया जाता है, जो लॉगिन किया जाता है, उसमें जमीन आसमां का फर्क होता है. आपको कैसे पता ममता जी, आप भी हमेशा रिगिंग करती आई हैं क्या? 2011, 2021, 2016 आप रिग करके जीती हैं क्या? शायद ऐसा ही आपने जीता होगा, तभी तो आपको पता है कि ये धांधलिया होता है. Anyway, it's a very big day for Bengal. Trinamool has been defeated on its face value. Finally, Trinamool is going. And coming days, we will come to know who will become the chief minister from BJP, of course. But we have some clues who will become chief minister, but I am not divulging that. However, one thing before summing up, and that's this, that BJP will have to be very, very careful, because people in Bengal have woken up. And if they can change left, they might have taken so many years, and they now changed the Trinamool, whom they loved, whom they adored. They took 15 years. They have given vote to you, BJP. Now it's up to you. It's up to you, BJP, how you react to this, how you behave, how you keep your promises, your convictions. क्योंकि अगर भारतीय जनता पार्टी भी कहीं ना कहीं चूक गई तो हो सकता है अगला जो 5 साल आएगा उसमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी को भी आईना दिखा देंगे, क्योंकि बंगाल के लोग शायद जाग गए हैं। इतना ही कहकर खत्म करना चाहूंगा कि आज बंगाल के लिए एक पुनर्जागरण का दिन है, नए जागरण का दिन है। ठीक उसी तरह जैसे 2011 में हमने कहा था कि लेफ्ट फ्रंट के जो मिसरूल था, लेफ्ट फ्रंट की जो अत्याचार था, उससे निजात मिली है बंगाल को। एक नया चेहरा आया है बंगाल को, लेकिन अब गलत है, हमें नहीं पता था कि बंगाल और भी खराब की ओर जाएगा। बंगाल विल बी ruined beyond repair, as I always say. Mamata Banerjee ruined Bengal beyond repair, in health, in education, in law and order, in governance, and of course, employment generation. And I am grateful to people in Bengal. They have changed this jungle raj of Mamata Banerjee. And I'm sure BJP will at least keep their promises, and BJP will create an atmosphere in West Bengal for everybody to stay and be happy in Bengal. And also, ये एक मुंहतोड़ जवाब था ममता बनर्जी के लिए, जिन्होंने गलत नैरेटिव फैलाया था कि बंगाल के बाहर बंगाली भाषा में बात करने से उनको बांग्लादेशी कहा जाता है। फॉल्स नैरेटिव कि बंगाल के बाहर मांस मच्छी को बेचा नहीं जाता है, और बंगाल में अगर बीजेपी आती है, भाजपा आती है, तो यहां पर मांस मच्छी पर रोक लग जाएगी। बहुत जरूरी था ममता बनर्जी को बंगाल से खदेड़ना। आज बंगाल के लोगों ने ममता बनर्जी को खदेड़ दिया है। कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू बंगाल, वेस्ट बंगाल। मीट यू इन द इवनिंग with more on the development. This is Pallab signing off for Non-Stop News.